Okay, this is the spice grinder slash coffee grinder as I call it. And it's the bullet shaped one, of course. And I'm going to grind some coffee for you. First we put this where we're going to pour the coffee grounds in. Up in there. Set that back over here. Then we put our lid on. Okay. And then we're going to plug it in. And now, as soon as you put the bullet head on here, as I like to call it, it's going to start. Pretty loud. Okay, this one here, take that off, take that off. Oop, a little messy. And you got your coffee grounds. And you got a bit of a mess. What I like about this one is that you got the little suction cups on the bottom, so it stays put when you're grinding. Yeah, but that's it. That's the grinder. I'm gonna unplug it, and that's what it looks like. It grounds coffee pretty good. I like it. I do recommend it. It's a little loud, but I like the shape. I wish it was just a little bit smaller, but it's doable. It works, and it grinds the coffee or spices, and I like it.
All right, let's demonstrate this. My apologies for the humble background. I'm traveling at the moment, and so this is just a lovely hotel backdrop. We all love Formica, right? But at any rate, so here is the coffee grinder, and you just kind of twist it and hold it down, same way most of them work. So this one has a lid on the top that you're not supposed to take off because it does run for just a second, as you can tell after you take it off. So coffee beans. Coffee, because I want some French press. Lid. Top. Grind. That's probably good. Let's take a look here. See what kind of grind we're looking at. Not very... That's pretty coarse still. I better keep going. I hope this will be... Let's see. Let's see if that's a little better. Come on, let go. Come on, I can't do this one-handed. Alright, well, I guess I gotta take it off down here. And it's still pretty coarse. I'm gonna have to run that for quite a bit longer before I can put it in the French press. So I'll review it and see how it ends up, but it looks like this is going to be not a quick grind, but I'm out of time.
Man, this thing right here, and I paid pretty much not, this was like 20 or 30, I don't even remember. It's cheap. Man, it chew up anything. Does a great job, more than I thought. More than what I need it for. It's a great machine.
So I wanted this product to be able to give me powder. No matter how many times I turn this on, These little pieces will not turn to powder like a coffee grinder does.
You can see it smoking.